Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChim. Today I'm going to teach you how to do factory reset without removing files. So let's start. Open search box and search settings. Now click on settings app. Scroll down and you will see a recovery option. Click on it. Here you can see we have one option to fix problems without resetting your PC. Choose this option if you don't want to reset and fix the problem of PC. Now click on Reset PC button. Here you can see two options, Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Click on Keep My Files option. It will remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files safe. Click on Remove Everything button if you completely want to remove files and apps. This option will completely make your PC clean. There will be no apps and files. You have to install everything again. I hope this tutorial will help you to reset your PC according to your selection. If you like this video, click subscribe button to learn more tricks. Thank you.